Do you want to know one of the most effective ways to deal with your hillside erosion and create an enhancement that will allow you to get from point A to point B in less than 10 seconds? Well, check out these beautiful crab orchard steps installed by the professionals right here at Landscape Drainage Solutions. Not only did we provide the customer with these beautiful landscape drainage solutions that accommodated the existing gutter downspouts and dealt with that water, we also provided them with an enhancement that solved the problem in regards to allowing them to be able to accommodate the landscape more effectively. And so these beautiful crab orchard steps, 18 by 36, 8 inches in total height, has allowed for the customer to be able to utilize this landscape to the utmost. And then we've also provided them with something that's going to last a lifetime in addition to those crab orchards, and that's going to be the beautiful decorative pea gravel. It's just going to aid in making sure that the erosion that was taking place right here in the Seven Hills Bent Water area no longer takes place. Now we also put in this beautiful Tiff Tough Bermuda grass. It's the best grass your money can buy, folks. And the best thing about this entire landscape drainage solution and enhancement that we were able to provide is that we were able to get both homeowners involved. So they're both going to be able to accommodate this landscape, and more importantly, it's going to solve their landscape problem by leaving their worries down the drain, and more importantly, making their dirt look good.